Hey guys, today we're going to talk about a 3-inch Adventure Series lift kit for 11 to 19 GM 2500s. So let's take a look in the box. First thing I noticed with this kit is these heavy-duty upper control arms. These are to correct your ball joint angle and increase suspension travel. The next thing you'll see with this kit are these 3-inch torsion bar leveling keys. These are a solid iron casting CNC machine to provide you your 3 inches of lift in the front. And onto the next are your 2-inch rear blocks to keep your tail high stance, and also your extended U-bolts that come with the kit. And to keep your CV shafts at a good operating angle, it comes with your differential spacers, along with your hardware pack to do the install. And over here we have our Nitro series gas shocks for a better ride quality also. Adventure Series lift kits are a great option for lifting your truck. They offer more lift and performance over a standard leveling kit, and they're not as involved or as expensive as a full lift kit. At the heart of all these Adventure Series lift kits are the fully boxed and welded steel upper control arms. These heavy-duty upper control arms are specially designed and application specific for leveled and lifted trucks. These are fully boxed and welded steel construction. These use an index ball joint cup which repositions the ball joint for more suspension travel once lifted. These also use OE style bushings for durability and maintenance-free operation. These come with a high quality greasable ball joint with a red protective anodized cap that keeps out dirt and debris. And these are also fully assembled and ready for you to install. These kits are very easy to install. They also come with everything you need, and they generally require no cutting. They allow you to run larger tires, and they retain your factory ride quality. And also all these parts are either E-coated or powder coated for a very durable and good looking finish. And it's all backed by the Factory Protection Plus warranty. This kit will allow you to run up to a 35-inch tire. And if you want to learn anything more, go to zoneoffroad.com and visit us on social media on Facebook and Instagram if you want to learn anything more about what's coming out.